Toyota Camry here, very high miles. I think like 160, 170,000 miles. Pretty bad. As you could see, yellow, hazed out. I don't know how they saw it at night. Look at that. That's terrible. Same with the other side. All bad news. But we got it really, really clear. You're going to see by the next part of the video here. Great job done by us. This car's got a lot of miles and it looks great now. Look at this. Looks fantastic. South Florida, 754-302-0769. We're mobile. We come to you, your house, your office, your work. We go to Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Give us a call or text us your pictures.